Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get some stunning and really amazing wallpaper for your Samsung Galaxy phone for free. Now what you want to do, guys, while you're on your Samsung phone, you want to look for the store, not the Play Store but the store. And you can also find this app within the Play Store as well, but I'm going to show you how to do it within the Samsung store. So open up the Samsung store. Once you find the Samsung store, go ahead and use the search on the top right there and just simple type in wallpaper. Right, so you will see once you start to type in wall, you will see wallpaper for Samsung. So tap on that and it will search, and you will see this application that says wallpaper for Samsung, and it's absolutely free with 5-star, and you can get even 4K wallpaper. So simply use the arrow here to download on the right hand side of this application. So tap on that. Now, once the application is fully installed, you can simply click the play icon towards the right hand side. This will open up the application, so you can tap on that and it will open up the application. Now, once you open it, immediately it is showing of your phone, and it's also showing the resolution here, and you can change the resolution or you can skip it. Just go ahead and click on next. Then you're getting a pop-up here that says allow the application here to access your photos and videos on this device. You can go ahead and allow that and then give consent there. Now immediately you will see some new wallpapers, which are some really stunning ones, and you can easily go through them and choose whichever 4K wallpaper that you want. You also have by rating, so you can see the ones that people are really liking, and you can see the ones that are 5-star as well. You can go to popular as well, and you can easily choose random. Let's say you find something that you really like. Let's say you want to use one of these new wallpapers and you see, wow, these wallpapers are really nice. I would like to use one of them. So let's say we want to use this one here that looks really nice, right? So all you have to do is just click on the wallpaper here, and you will see the plus icon on the lower right hand side. So you can click the plus, and from here you have a bunch of options. You can download the wallpaper, you can obviously view the original size, you can set the wallpaper as well. So you can simply tap on set and it will do a quick download there. And here you will see the options that it says set at the top there. You also have like different scrolling or fix or whatever. You can choose the other as well. You can click set. Now you'll see a few options at the bottom. You have the fixed. You also have the option that says the with scrolling, so you can also go ahead and do that as well. If you tap on that, you will see if it's possible or not. If it's not, you can simply leave it as fixed, and you can basically adjust it how you want the wallpaper to be. And you just need to go ahead and click on set on the upper right hand side, and from here you can easily do both screen, home screen, lock screen, even open within your gallery, and even you have the option that says double wallpaper. So let's say I would like to set this as both screen. I can simply go ahead and click on both, and it will automatically set as my lock screen and my home screen. No, I will not lock my screen because I'm currently recording. However, I'm going to show you my home screen by pressing on that to show you that it is now set to my home screen. And of course, if I lock my screen, I'll be able to see that as well. But you can see here, guys, that these are some really amazing wallpapers that you can use within this application. So if you're looking for stunning wallpapers, I really suggest that you download this application, check it out, because there are some really amazing and beautiful looking wallpapers that you can use on your phone. And as I said, they're very easy to use within this application. All you have to do is just simple, once you find a picture that you like, just simple tap on it and use the plus icon on the lower right hand side, and then you want to click on set wallpaper, and it will do a quick download, and you will be able to simply go ahead and set the wallpaper how you like, to home screen, lock screen, or whatever that you so desire. You'll be able to see it. So very easy stuff, guys. Really hope your phone is useful. If you do, don't forget to give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and of course hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.